everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to curve text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Curving the text in Canva is a straightforward process that can add a dynamic and visually appealing touch to your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Create a Design if you haven't already, or open the existing project or design that you're working with. In my case, I'm just gonna click the Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail because after recording this video, I am gonna upload the file in our Deep Laughs YouTube channel along with the thumbnail. Now this is gonna be the file that I'm working with. Okay, so I'm going to add another text here. By clicking on the left side panel of your dashboard, add a text. Now I'm gonna be using this font style. I'm gonna make it like, now I'm gonna maybe select something new, maybe this one right here. I'm gonna ungroup this file because I don't want the first one. I'm just gonna use this one instead. I'm gonna decrease the font into maybe like 100, and I'm going to make it like this, maybe like 50 is enough. All right, after that I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna go to the effects. All right, so if I'm happy with that, all I have to do before so that you can curve, go to the effects. You see the curve option here. That is basically how you curve text in Canva. You see, when you have your mouse here, there's going to be a circular button on the center. You see that? You can, of course, make it a little bit bigger, so depending on your preferences, all right? You also have the option to rotate it into like, you see that? You can rotate to different degrees. Not only that, you have the option to, of course, animate, like rise, pan, and fade, and blur, and wipe. So you have all of these options for you. For example, succession. Click that and try to put in the play to see how it goes, all right? This method allows you to create a unique and stylish text effects to your design. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.